What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So when I have good examples, I like to bring them to your attention. Yeah, this isn't going to be pretty because the last place that does this lady's maintenance or this person's maintenance is Walmart, and I'm going to prove that to you. So this vehicle here has had aftermarket tie rods done at one point or time, and either the installer never greased them or they're only greased once. But watch this. Hold this. Hold this. So if that got greased, it probably wouldn't have failed. That's a Moog one. That's a good one. The powdered rust is the telltale sign. So that one's moving too, but you can't really see. No powdered rust. Can't tell if that's powdered rust on that lower control arm or not, but it sure looks like it, doesn't it?
It's definitely powdered rust, but you can't tell if it's from this or...
Well, it wouldn't be from...
Oh, yeah. That'd be backwards.
So it's very possible that this is shot too, but I can't tell. So now let's do the proof. We're here for exhaust. This whole pipe here is rotted out here. This is about rotted off. It's been patched in before with a section, and then it's leaking back here with some soot. But I wanted to show you the oil change place who's not lubricating. So if this is where they're going for an oil change all the time, they're surely not doing this customer any justice by not maintaining the car, right? If we see grease fittings, we grease them, but we don't usually see grease fittings because a lot of the aftermarket parts we see have no grease fittings. And I don't know any new cars that come with grease fittings. I only call it as I see it. Sorry, did I say Walmart, right? I did say Walmart. Walmart. So these customers weren't there that long ago. They said be back in October 20th. So they were there. They're overdue for the oil change. They're 105 on the clock now, and they're 104. So it is what it is. Thanks for watching.